Hi everyone, I'm Toby.
And I'm Ella. Today we are going to be looking at something really yummy.
A honeydew melon! It's oval, it's yellow, and it smells so sweet.
But wait, what does it look like inside? Let's find out.
This is our dad, and he's going to help us cut it open safely.
Alright then, let's get this baby open.
Wow, it's like green inside.
And look at all those seeds in the middle.
And now we scoop away the seeds.
It's squishy and slippery.
We don't eat the seeds, do we?
Now let's cut it into slices.
Then we can peel off the skin, or just bite off the fruit.
I like mine in cubes. Oh, so juicy.
Just like sweets, but healthy. Did you know honeydew melon is really good for your body?
Yeah, it has lots of vitamin C, which helps you not get sick.
And it has vitamin B6, which makes your brain stay sharp for school.
It also has potassium, which helps your muscles move, like when you run and play.
Plus, honeydew is made of lots of water.
So it keeps you hydrated, especially on hot days.
1 cup of honeydew only has about 60 calories.
But it gives you lots of energy.
So why do we love honeydew melon?
Because it's sweet,
Juicy,
healthy,
and super tasty.
Our best snack ever.
Try honeydew melon at home and tell us what you think.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!